Treasury yields open up moving lower today on a weaker than expected Empire manufacturing number that came in down 11.6, was expected to come in a little higher than that. Clearly the market seeing the economic data coming in weaker. Treasury yields, which were trading about 320 earlier in the month, are now back below 290 today, getting as low as 285, kind of hovering between 285 and 290 for most of the afternoon session. So yields moving lower as data comes in weaker. Likewise, we have a number of Fed speakers coming out this week. Tomorrow we have Mr. Powell speaking. Markets may be kind of waiting to see if he has anything to add here. Clearly, the Fed is markets are pricing in the Fed to be raising 50 basis points at the next two meetings. After that, it becomes a little less clear. But 10-year note yields opens the week lower, back below 290. Now, what does this all mean for volatility? Well, if you check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com, you will notice that volatility is again directional with yields. As yields move lower, we are seeing volatility move lower, and that's exactly what we saw today. Lastly, what do we have tomorrow? Well, tomorrow we have a number of things. We have retail sales coming out, expected to come in better than last month's, but we'll have to wait and see what happens there. There's a lot to break down. Likewise, we will get some housing data. Housing has been on a skid as well. Lastly, the most important part of tomorrow's list we'll get is Mr. Powell will be speaking along with several other Fed speakers, but obviously Mr. Powell speaking at a Wall Street Journal event will have all eyes and ears focused on him. Clearly, the Fed right now is in control, or at least in control of rates, and the market right now trying to figure out what the next move might be after the June and July Fed rate hikes of 50 basis points each, which are clearly priced into the market. So 10-year note yields moving lower again today, back below 290, hovering and waiting for Mr. Powell when he speaks tomorrow morning.